In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube on Android Auto for free. So the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to our phone and we're going to Google. And in Google, what we're going to do is we're going to this website, github/smikelsa/AAAD. We're going to click on it. Also, a link to this website will be in the video description down below. Then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll all the way down where it says the latest version 1.5.1. Then we're going to click on AAD 1.51/release APK. We're going to click on download and we're going to click on open. Then it says for your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. We're going to click on settings and we're going to give install apps from external sources, Google Chrome permission. Then we're going back and what we're going to do is we're going to click on install AAAD. Then we're going to click on open. We're going to click on OK and we're also going to give the app AAAD. We're also going to install apps from external sources and we're also going to give this app AAAD permission. Then the app that we're going to install is Fermata Auto. And we're gonna click on install. Then we're gonna click on open. We're gonna click on allow, and guys, right now we're in Fermata Auto. What we're going to do is we click right here on the 3 red lines and then we're gonna click on YouTube. And guys, we're on YouTube, and in YouTube, as an example, what we're going to do, the next step is we're going to connect YouTube on our phone to Android Auto. So how are we gonna do that? If you go to Android Auto, right here it says connect a phone projection device via USB. So what we're going to do is right here I have a USB cable. Right here it says USB and we're gonna plug it in. Then at the other side of the USB cable, what we're going to do is I'm gonna plug it in. For if you guys are wondering, just like a Huawei phone. And right here it says reading USB device. Then what we're going to do right here, it says Fermata Auto. We're going to click on it. And if you click right here, this is YouTube. So on YouTube, if you click right here, it says your phone keyboard is active. So we're going to our phone. We connect it to the cable. So it also asks, hey, use USB to, I'm just going to say transfer photos. And it says your phone keyboard is active. We're going to our phone and right here we can type. Now, what type of video do you want to see? Now for this video, we're just gonna say, let's watch a Mr. Beast video. As you can see, we just typed it. Right here, we're gonna click on it, Mr. Beast. I typed wrong, I typed Mr. Beast Cube, no worries. We're gonna click on the Mr. Beast channel. We're gonna click on the video and let's say, we want to see the $1 versus $500,000 a date.
We're going on some of the most expensive dates in the world, like this $500,000 date that includes the entirety of Disneyland all for ourselves. A $100,000 date at this mega complex with a massive water park and ginormous ski resort. A $50,000 private island date.
Okay guys, and that's how you watch YouTube on Android Auto.